And the first thing I would like to go over is keyword match. So, when I was working with clients, a lot of things that I noticed is that they had a ton of filters in there. So, they maybe had 20, 30, 40, 50 filters in there for titles that they would either be going after or that they would like to exclude. So, the first misconception is that this is a keyword match. So you have in here, I have business development and I have sales. So as you can see, SVP growth sales, director programmatic sales, VP sales and business development, et cetera, et cetera. Well, you get the point, I think. So you have your senior director of sales. So instead of having to add all of those filters and all of those functions, having to add them there, just think of it as a keyword match. If you have ever worked with Google AdWords, then you're at an advantage here. So it is a keyword match, which means that if you just put in sales, you have all of those sales roles. Now, if you're saying, listen, I just want sales leaders, perfect. Then here is seniority level. You just pick, like I did here, you pick your CXO, your directors, managers, partners, etc. And then that way you can filter for decision makers in sales. Now the same goes for exclusion. So if you're saying, okay, we want I don't know, everyone in marketing, but no one in sales, just simply exclude sales. So you hover over sales, you exclude it, and then it will turn red, and that way you're excluding everyone in sales. So when you're working with these right here, with the title and function filter, just especially with the title one, make sure that you're aware of the fact that those are keyword match, meaning that you can save yourself a lot of time by using it that way, by using it correctly, instead of having to add all the functions that you're going after. So that was the first.